Okay, so we recently bought this no-name alarm clock, projector clock, and it actually looks okay with the camera flashlight on it. I'll show you in a second what it looks like without the light. So basically without the lights, the clock is basically useless. You can't see anything on the screen until you press the snooze button. It lights up for a few seconds and then it goes to dark again. So basically you have this as an alarm clock next to your bed. You're going to have to reach out and press the button every time you want to see what time it is. Same for that projector clock, which actually is upside down if you point it forward. So basically if you want to point it to the opposite side of your room, so you get a nice view, it would be upside down. You would actually have to point it backwards to have it right side up, or you would have to turn it around completely, and then of course you wouldn't see the alarm clock anymore. So design flaws all around. Now it only costs 12 bucks, so I guess you guess what you pay for. But let's see if we can hack this and make it a little bit more useful. So the first thing I'm noticing is no screws at all. I'm probably just going to try to force off this, see if there are screws under there, and if not, I'll try to separate this here, see if I can get in that way. Okay, so the way in, the way to get to the screws seems to be to rip off the front panel. There's some double-sided tape here that keeps it in place. Shouldn't be too hard to put that back. Okay, so got it open. Got about 7 screws to undo. Let's see what we can fix to maybe get a permanent light going. So if I connect the negative power lead here to the cathode of the LED, both LEDs light up. Probably going to put a resistor in between and make sure that the LED's not burning too bright, as it's going to be a bedside clock. So I've got a few resistors here, 270 ohm, 800 ohm, 2k ohm. I'm just gonna try some out, see which one has a nice mellow glow for a night light, or I should say bedside clock. So my daughter's gonna help me out measuring this. I'm gonna put an 800 ohm resistor on here. It lights up. That's about 2.5 volts, which is a little bit under the 2.7 it has when you press the snooze button. So it's a bit of a softer glow, which will do nicely. Okay, so I'm not extremely proud of the solder quality on this one, but it wasn't that great to begin with. So it's gonna have to do. The light is working. Let's put it together, turn it around, see what it looks like. Okay, so I turned down all the lights, and you see the backlight lighting up. So now we just need... So the projector is not that bright to begin with, so I don't need to put any resistor here. I'm just going to connect the negative pole of the power to the cathode, and that should do it. So now the light's on continuously. Too bad my camera doesn't have the sensitivity to show you with the room lights out, but here you see the projector light is continuously on. So now at night we will have a continuous projection of the time, and the screen will light up.